Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the M4 Smart Bracelet. Now, if you're already used to the channel, you know that I've already reviewed the M3, and even just judging from the box, you can tell that there's a difference. This was the M3 box from last year, and this is the M4. Already you can see that there's a difference, even what's written on the front right there. This one had emphasis on comfort. It said M3, my device, my life. And the M4 is saying a partner to monitor your health. So yeah, even right from the packaging, you can see that we should be expecting something different this year around. But just judging from the box, you can see that the design has changed itself. There's more, what can I say, if you look at the M3, there was like a dimple right here, and if you look at the M4, that is gone. And the M4 is promising HD screen message, 45 days of battery life, but we'll really find out if that's the case. So without wasting time, let's get into it. The display is 0.96 of an inch TFT display, waterproof level IP67, and working time 4 to 7 days, standby time 45 days. So this one is promising a good battery life. It's also got Bluetooth 4, and the charging clip. Now that's one thing that you should also remember, that the charging clip this time around is changed. Remember last year you used to have a USB could charge, so this time when we get into the box, I'll show you the sort of charger that comes with this. So if you're using the M3 last year, the charger from here will not work with this one. So this is what you see in the box. Right, we have a user manual. The good part about it is that it's written in English, and it's also got Mandarin at the back, and this is the QR code that we use to set up to get the app on our phone. We'll do that a little bit later on. A new charging clip, just like I highlighted. This is new. It's got these 2 pins right here, if you can see. This is way different. Like I was saying, this is different from what you were getting last year. So there's that. It's just a pity that it's a bit too short. Not sure I'll be able to charge. I would have loved this to be a bit longer, but anyway. Now there are different colors you can get here. There are many fruity colors. I'm sure you can get yellow, orange, or I'll just leave an image with the options that you can get. Lastly, in the box you get the M4 itself. See, it's a totally different design from last year. Remember, the M3 had a dimple here. Oh, it's got this circular sign where the menu is, and the display is promising to be HD. Well, we'll find that out, because you know how some of this Chinese marketing comes across. So definitely this is what you get in the box. This is all you get in the box. Now let's see if we can set up the M4. So as you can see, there are the 2 pins there. So basically what you do is just slide that in there and expect it to start charging. But for some reason, I don't know what's going on with the charging. I'm not sure if it's an issue with my device, but I just hope I get this working. Yeah, so alright, so this is the M4's interface. If you're coming from the M3, you can see that a couple of things have changed. The icons, the menu icons have changed, definitely, you can see that. Alright, sports. So you can get into sports. Under sports, there's a sub menu, there's run, skip, sit-ups, sports. Definitely these things are not on. Then there's messages. Now for us to see if messages are working, we need to connect this to the app. Last time it was using the Lefan Health app. Not sure this time around what app it will be using, but there's a facility. Let's see what's more. Let's see what's on more. It's camera. sure if you can use this as a shutter button for your phone. I don't know what camera is all about. Then looking for this, probably maybe when you're looking for a device, we'll find out in the field review. And then there's themes. You see, there's okay. If you want this sort of theme as well, that can do. Let's see what else we have. And then there's that, the exact same theme in orange. Yeah, it would be nice to note if you can actually download themes, and I'm sure this is the QR code that we're going to use to download the app. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so let's use the QR code reader to see if we can scan the app. It's undone. It would be nice to see. Last time now, and we're looking for more. Long press, navigate to yes. Let's see if we can just yes. All right, now as you can see, this one is giving us the URL is taking us. Okay, let's just open. This looks like now that's an ad that I just clicked. Let's just go back. Let's see if we can do that again. And just zoom into that. Okay. Right. As you can see now, it's giving us the link to fitpro.json smart. I'm not sure what that is. Let's just open the link. Okay, just once. So last time, like I was saying, it was using the Lefan Health app. Hopefully this time around, it must be using something called FitPro. Yes, FitPro app download. Okay, let's just open that on the Play Store. Alright, now the app is 19 megabytes. Yeah, let's see if we can install that and okay. See if we can install that and hopefully pair the M4 to the smartphone. Now we just finished downloading the FitPro app that works with the M4. Let's just open it and go through the setup and see. Okay, now it's written in Chinese. I guess we just have to agree. At least there's written use the protocol, and I'm not sure what everything else says, but let's just agree. Allow FitPro access to device location. Okay. Okay, only well, allow photo access, allow. Okay, now definitely this time around they're not using the Lefan Health app. Now what was it saying here? Xiaomi whitelist, click on settings icon, settings page. Okay. Already you can see there's somebody running there. Let's just skip that stage for now. Notifications, read permission, open. There are a lot of security features that you need to allow here. So right, the interface is obviously quite different from what we're used to. Definitely different. Now we'll go through this in depth in the full review, but for now, let's see if we can pair this phone now. Because last time what we needed was just to switch on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is already on. Now, how do we pair this? Let's see. What is this? How do we pair this? Let's see if we can come in there. Login, FitPro, user profile. There's nothing here. House it. Let's see if we can use set. Exactly. Reset device. Remove other. Find. Let's see if we can bind devices to experience more features. Let's see. Yeah. So sure it's scanning for the device. Wow, that's awesome. As you can see, let me see if I can just focus. So it's already identified my device. Let me click there, trying to connect. Completed. Let's see those. So it's everything is completed, and as you can see, even by the corner there's this thing. Maybe it's trying to sync with the phone. The time is already synced. It's 4:16. So yeah. Now what else can we expect in your set? Message push. Okay. What is this? Activity, turn off screen. There are a lot of features that we'll probably go into in the full review, but I'm just happy that the M4 is set up. Now if you have any questions that you want me to answer as well, also just let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, otherwise this is what the M4 is, and this is how you set up the phone. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.